Hi, welcome to very first video by installing Python and pip. Let's start. First we have to open Python website. Then go to downloads, and here in downloads we will go to Windows. If you are using Windows, then select Windows, or otherwise Mac OS or source code which you want to use. 3.13.5 is updated version of Python. We will use a stable version of Python like 3.13.0. Let's download 3.13. It's downloaded. Let's open it and install now. It may take 1 to 2 minutes. Now our Python setup has completed. Now we will create a folder and let's create a new folder. My first task. We will go in this folder and open it in Visual Studio Code. Here we will create a file. First task. And we will open terminal and will install pipenv, which we have to use to install every Python module or packages. Let's install pipenv using pip install pipenv. I have already installed, that's why it will tell me requirements are already satisfied. And we will activate our new environment using pipenv shell. It will create a virtual environment and activate our virtual environment. Pipenv shell, sorry, spelling mistake. It may take 1 to 2 minutes. It created this visual environment. We will go in this visual environment and will install FastAPI or any Python module. pipenv run pip install FastAPI. It will install FastAPI in our virtual environment. We will test it. That FastAPI installed successfully or not. It's installing. Sometimes there occurs some issue that path not found or pipenv command not found. Then we will solve that issue also here. First we will check that it installed successfully and working. It's installed. Now we will run it in debugger, Python debugger, Python files, and debugger is working. Now version is 0.115.14. It tells me FastAPI version. FastAPI version 0.115.14. Sometimes there occurs pipenv not found or this command pip it will tell me the directory, this directory this directory we will copy, and we will add an environment variable path, environment variable path edit. And if we have not added already, then we will add a new. If we have already added, then we will not add it. I have added already, that's why I will not add this.